Alright, okay. Dog. Holy! What the heck was that? You don't. Oh shit! Why is that? I got through. Okay, you know what? I'm kicking this. Oh crap! Oh my god. I kicked it all the way over there. Oh crap, oh crap. Oh wow, really? Oh. What was that? I want to see what this looks like after the... You know, if my mom comes in here, I'm so screwed. You know, we should probably get going. I mean, seriously. Ow. What? All right.